Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about the JONSBO UMX6 PC case. So friends, JONSBO has added Flagship tower type PC case UMX6 in all black design. So friends, there are two product lineups, UMX6 Black which uses solid panels and UMX6 Black which is window version which is tempered glass panels. And friends, the exterior uses a bent aluminum panel and the cooling fan has a top of 120mm into 3 and 140mm into 2 and a rear of 120mm into 1 and a bottom of 120mm into 2. And friends, the drive bay has two 2.5 inch shadow bays and two 3.5 inch shadow bays. And friend, it is equipped with the 8 expansion slots, I/O ports, USB Type-C into 1, USB 3.0 into 1, USB 2.0 into 2, audio terminal into 1 and microphone terminal into 1. And friend, the CPU cooler supports a total height of 169mm. The power supply unit supports a depth of 200mm and the graphics card support of length of 330mm. And friend, the external dimensions are width of 224mm, depth of 482mm and height of 501mm. And friends, it weighs about 11.7 kg. And friends, the corresponding form factors are E-ATX, ATX, MicroATX and Mini-ITX. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.